Not only is this the ultimate setup and takedown checklist, but drumroll please, it's customizable, it's printable, and you can access it on your phone. And this is the best way for you to avoid unnecessary damage and issues on down the road. Yeah, you're really gonna want this, and I can't wait to share it with you. But first, real quick, if you're new here, I'm Randy, and every Thursday I help you make big memories in small campers. And say it with me, because weekends are just too short. There's a lot of moving parts during the RV setup and takedown process, and this can be overwhelming, especially for RV newbies. And you're talking to the queen of being overwhelmed, because I've recently been learning how to do this myself. Not only do we have to remember to do everything, but we also have to remember to do everything in the correct order. And that's when I get tripped up sometimes. But making sure that we do every step in our setup and our takedown process is really important safety stuff. So we need to get it right. But even if you are a seasoned RVer, I bet there's been a time or two when you've second guessed yourself and wondered, did I put that safety pin in? And I have a special bonus for all you RV newbies and first-time RV campers that I'm gonna share with you at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Okay, without further ado, this RV setup and takedown checklist is actually an app, and it's available on both iOS and Android devices. And it's called the Ultimate RV Checklist app. App does cost $1.99. Let me show you everything about this app. When you open the app for the very first time, you're going to see all of the prepaid checklists that they have. They have unique pre-made checklists for Class A's, B's, C's, vans, fifth wheels, and travel trailers. And I have a travel trailer, so I'm going to click on this list. Now look, they've populated checklists for me for a travel trailer arrival, for travel trailer departure, truck arrival, and truck departure. I'm going to click on the travel trailer arrival list to show you how extensive it is. They even have the to-do list broken down to outside and inside. To check a task off of your to-do list, you just click on it. Then the completed items are going to be shown on the bottom of the list. And here's what I love the most about this app. You can edit the checklist and customize it to your specific needs. You can delete items, you can rearrange them, and you can add your own items to the checklist. If you want to make a new list, you can use one of their pre-built ones, like their winterizing or their de-winterizing checklist. Or you can start from scratch. Another useful feature is you can print your list. I've seen other RV setup and takedown checklists, and they're not going to be as helpful as this one because there's never going to be a pre-made checklist that's tailored to match your exact needs. Think about how handy this app is going to be for your setup and your teardown checklist. But not only can you use it for that, you can use it for other lists too, such as your RV spring cleaning list, your annual RV inspection list, your maintenance list, your camping grocery list. I also use it when I am RV camping, and if there's something I run out of, like let's say I run out of toilet paper, I'll just quickly add that to a list. That way when I get home and before my next camping trip, I know everything that I need to purchase. All RV newbies should be using a checklist. And now you know what checklist to use. But wait, there's more. This is just one of the great tips in a video that I'm going to put up right here. If you're a first-time RV camper, you need to watch this video next. So click on the video right up here next. And if you don't see it up here, I'll also leave it in the video description below. So I'll see you over in that video next.